This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Welcome to today's discussion. We're diving into the intricacies of IRS Form 1099-B, a form many find confusing. It deals with proceeds from broker and barter exchange transactions. What are some of the initial hurdles people face when encountering this form?
The biggest hurdle is understanding the breadth of transactions it covers. Many people associate it solely with stock sales, but it encompasses a much wider range of financial activities, including commodities, futures contracts, and even barter exchanges. This broad scope can be initially overwhelming.
Precisely. It's not just about stocks and bonds. So what are some key things that taxpayers need to know to correctly fill out this form?
Taxpayers need to understand the different boxes on the form and what information each one requires. For example, Box 1 reports the proceeds from the sale, while Box 2 might report the cost basis, crucial for calculating capital gains or losses. Failing to accurately report this information can lead to significant tax issues.
Absolutely. And what about the situations where a broker or barter exchange is involved? How does that complicate things?
The involvement of a third party, like a broker or a barter exchange, adds another layer of complexity. The broker is responsible for reporting the transaction to both the IRS and the taxpayer, but the taxpayer still needs to understand the information provided to ensure accuracy and avoid potential penalties.
Let's clarify the purpose of Form 1099-B. What is its primary function in the tax system?
Form 1099-B serves as a crucial reporting mechanism for various financial transactions. It ensures that the IRS has a record of these transactions, allowing them to accurately assess capital gains taxes. It also provides taxpayers with the necessary information to complete their tax returns correctly.
You mentioned the wide range of transactions covered. Can you elaborate on the different types of transactions that require the use of Form 1099-B?
Beyond stocks and bonds, Form 1099-B covers sales of commodities, regulated futures contracts, foreign currency contracts, forward contracts, debt instruments, options, securities futures contracts, and transactions involving a barter exchange. Essentially, any transaction where a broker or barter exchange facilitates the exchange of assets.
Let's delve into the specifics of the form itself. Can you explain the significance of the different boxes and the information they require?
Each box serves a specific purpose. Box 1 reports the proceeds from the sale, crucial for calculating your taxable income. Box 2 reports the cost basis, which is subtracted from the proceeds to determine the capital gain or loss. Other boxes might report information on the type of asset sold or whether it was a short-term or long-term investment. Understanding each box is vital for accurate reporting.
What is the role of a broker or barter exchange in the process? How do they contribute to the reporting requirements?
Brokers and barter exchanges act as intermediaries, facilitating the transactions. They are legally obligated to report these transactions to both the IRS and the taxpayer via Form 1099-B. This ensures transparency and helps prevent tax evasion. However, the taxpayer remains responsible for verifying the accuracy of the information reported.
What are the potential consequences of errors or omissions on Form 1099-B?
Inaccuracies can lead to significant tax penalties. Underreporting income can result in substantial fines and interest charges. Conversely, overreporting can lead to delays in receiving refunds. It's crucial to ensure accuracy to avoid these complications.
Where can taxpayers find additional resources and assistance if they need help understanding Form 1099-B?
The IRS website provides comprehensive instructions and publications related to Form 1099-B. Tax professionals can also offer valuable guidance and assistance in navigating the complexities of this form. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed.
Are there regular updates or revisions to Form 1099-B? How can taxpayers stay informed about these changes?
Yes. The IRS periodically updates forms and instructions to reflect changes in tax laws and regulations. Taxpayers should always refer to the most current version of Form 1099-B and its instructions available on the IRS website. Staying informed is crucial for compliance.
Are there any other related forms or publications that taxpayers should be aware of in conjunction with Form 1099-B?
Yes, several related forms and publications can provide additional context and information. For example, Form A949, Sales and Other Dispositions of Capital Assets, is used to report capital gains and losses, and Schedule D, Form 1040, is used to report these on your tax return. Understanding these related forms is essential for accurate tax filing.
Let's illustrate with a scenario. Suppose someone sells stocks through a brokerage account. How would Form 1099-B come into play?
The brokerage firm would issue a Form 1099-B to the taxpayer, reporting the proceeds from the stock sale, the cost basis, and other relevant information. The taxpayer would then use this information to calculate their capital gains or losses and report them on their tax return using Form 8A-949 and Schedule D.
What are some common mistakes taxpayers make when dealing with Form 1099-B?
A common mistake is misinterpreting the information provided, particularly regarding cost basis and the distinction between short-term and long-term capital gains. Another mistake is failing to report all relevant transactions, leading to underreporting of income. Careful review and understanding of the form are crucial to avoid these errors.
When should taxpayers consider seeking professional help with Form 1099-B?
If taxpayers find the form confusing or have complex financial transactions, seeking professional help from a tax advisor is highly recommended. A tax professional can provide personalized guidance and ensure accurate reporting, minimizing the risk of errors and penalties.
So to summarize, understanding Form 1099-B is crucial for accurate tax reporting. Its broad scope and detailed information requirements necessitate careful attention to detail. Seeking professional help when needed can prevent costly mistakes.
Precisely. Accuracy is paramount. Understanding the different boxes, the types of transactions covered, and the potential consequences of errors are key to successful tax compliance.
That was a great discussion. Thank you for your expertise.